Hey guys, Sean Tuber here. We got a surprise from the Happsters, aka Mama Happsters. Huh, Sonny? Yeah. So here it is. We got it. We got a surprise. Let's do an unboxing, guys. Yeah, that's Emily over there with her hand waving. And here we go. What did we get? Oh, look at that. We got a little tote bag. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, Sonny, what do you think? Huh? It matches you, Sonny. Yeah. What is this? We got a can cooler for my beer. Yay! Aloha! Very fancy Hawaii colors. Hawaii 5-0. Hawaiian. We got white chocolate Founders Collection. From Hawaiian Host. Aloha! Hawaiian Host is the world's leading brand of chocolate-covered macadamia nut products. Oh, this looks fantastic. Alright. Ah, what is this? It's a shirt! It's a Hawaiian shirt! Oh my goodness, look at that. That's beautiful.
It's not a shirt, it's a...
No, is it? Oh, it is. I thought it was a shirt. Okay.
Like perfect.
This is all unedited, folks.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's for a picnic. We can cover the table with it, huh? Nice. We got some more chocolates. Yes. Ooh, and we got the milk chocolate ones,
Oh,
guys.
those are really good.
Yum, yum. Hey, we got Aloha Hawaii, the 50th state mug. There we go. Lovely.
Maybe that's what this is for.
Yeah, the mug. I don't know if the mug will fit in there. A beer can certainly will, or a bottle. Hey, we got a hat.
Give me the
Woohoo! I got my Hawaii hat. Thank you, Mama Happsters. What else did we get?
more chocolate.
Aloha macadamia nut chocolates. We got lots of chocolates to share with the kids. I got 3 kids. I'm sure they're gonna go fast.
And there's this.
What is this, Emily? What is it? Say what it is. It's a tea, Orby tea. Okay.
Ooh, a bar.
Show the camera this real close.
It looks like gold.
Yeah. Is my golden ticket from Willy Wonka in there?
See, it has gold wrapping.
Oh wow, Mama Happsters took care of us with the chocolate, didn't she?
And there's some tea too.
Oh my goodness, look at all these trinkets. Shout out, aloha, Mama Happsters. Here, show the camera this one. This is for the refrigerator.
A magnet.
More chocolates.
Those are my favorite ones.
Yes. What is that? What is this? What is this, Sonny? Ooh, aloha, it says, the Happsters.
And
It says Hawaii.
With a beautiful
Hawaii. What else? What else do I have?
you gotta love that.
Ooh, Emily, this bag can be used for you. It's nice and girly. Or it could be for my wife, Mary. Mary Loves Poems. Shout out to Mary Loves
It could
Poems.
be for food.
That's awesome. Thank you for the gifts, Mama Happsters, all the way from Hawaii to California. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.